Good morning and welcome back to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. It has been about a month since I planted my cheap raised garden beds. So today I'm going to give you an update and show you how they're doing. So let me show you how my plants are doing. I'm feeling pretty good right now. I've had a couple of tomato plants that have just really taken off, and they're kind of overshadowing everything else in that box. My squash, it didn't start out too well, but it seems to be kind of perking up. Have some beans on the sides there. My cucumbers are doing pretty good, and the beans are on the sides of that one. And in this one I have okra and beans on the edges of that. So since these tomato plants are just kind of taking off and overshadowing everything, my plan today is I want to move these two pepper plants because I'm just afraid they're not gonna be able to grow good and put out a lot of fruit if I don't. So the plan is to take some old bricks that were left over from our house and make a bed right here in this area. But first I need to move this hose, and I'm going to move it over to the end of the garage. And then before I do that, we're going to need to move this wood. So Jerry's going to get a to-do list now, so I'm going to bring him out here to help me get this done. Now let's go move that hose. Before we move this hose, I've got to do a little bit of cleaning right here first and get that out of the way. So I have this vision to have a planter made with the bricks that were left over from the house. So I've got them here in the trailer right now, and I'm gonna take them up front, see if I can make this dream come to life. So here's my first row, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to loosen up the ground a little bit in there, and then I'll start adding my second and maybe third row. Ta-da! So now what I want to do is add some more soil to it, and then I'm going to transplant my 2 peppers that are getting snuffed out by the big tomato plants there. They're jalapeno peppers. And then I've also got 2 tomato plants in the buckets back there that I want to put in there as well. So just stick with me and let's get this done. All right, I'm gonna transplant the tomatoes. I'm gonna put them in the back. So first I'm going to put some of this Miracle Grow all-purpose shake and feed on there. Just on the top of the bed here, just to help fertilize. Now we're going to use some Scott's Color Advantage brown mulch to put on top of them to help keep them watered and hopefully help them grow. So now I am done with my recycled brick planter or raised bed, and I am pretty proud of it. Let me know what you think. I'm pretty happy how it turned out. I'll probably have to come out here and wash, you know, those fronts of the bricks so they look more like the house, because they've been laying up and got dirty under that back porch. But I'm pretty proud of it. So just let me know what you think. Do you think it'll last? So here is a picture of my garden planters about a month ago when I first put them together and planted everything. Everything was small. Some of it was just new plants. Some of it was seeds, and wasn't sure how things were going to turn out. But now, this is how it looks. I'm pretty proud of how everything's growing. My squash has not quite done as well as I hoped it would, but it is showing some signs of life now, so hopefully it'll catch up. And my tomato plants are doing great. So let me know what you think. Has anybody else used planters like this? Do you have any tips for me? Because believe you me, I am not a gardener. I'm just trying to learn and hopefully get a little food out of it. Well, I hope you like this video on my cheap raised garden beds and my recycled brick garden bed. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. If you're able to, hype it. That would really help us out because we are just a small little channel. But and if you have any gardening tips or comments, please leave them. I would love to hear them. Anything that you can tell me will help. See you next time on Living Life with Jerry and Mel.